Welcome to today's topic on how to become a digital marketer without a degree. Is it possible? Yes. This video is going to guide you on how to become a digital marketer without a degree or any other professional certificate. Good luck. There have been questions asking, can I become a digital marketer without a degree? But I want to let you that it's very possible because many companies want digital marketers with working experience, and I urge you to focus and gain experience. Digital marketing is becoming more competitive every day, making it difficult for aspiring digital marketers to advance. The only way out is via your expertise and potential. In early 2021, HubSpot released statistics of growing digital marketing statistics for 2021, and this shows how digital marketing is growing around the world, which is to be outstanding among others. To engage in digital marketing, you don't need a university degree. Although it is a necessity for some organizations, having a strong understanding of digital marketing and how it works is more vital. Employers are aware that a college or university degree will not educate you more than a decent digital marketing certification or provide you with hands-on job experience. Nothing prevents you from working as a freelancer or agency owner in digital marketing, whether you have a degree or not, which makes it an excellent career choice. So you don't have to be bothered being a degree holder or not. You just have to move on with your career in digital marketing and make sure that you have gotten all the experience required. You'll learn the specific measures to take to get into the web marketing sector in this book. It will show you how novices without a degree or a prior job experience may start a career as digital marketers, and below are some guide and tips that will help you to become a digital marketer without a degree qualification. The next chapter are steps you need to take. Good luck. Step 1. Study the demands of digital marketing positions. You must devote time to research how digital marketing needs are increasing and which parts are being channeled, as this will assist you in determining which parts of digital marketing are being channeled. Since you want to start a career in digital marketing, you may start by researching which digital marketing talents are in great demand right now, and there really is no smarter method to do this than to examine what employers seek. This allows you to discern between what you believe is the optimal combination and what it actually is. You may discover the ideal blend for your target demographic. Search for digital marketing opportunities on major job search websites such as Glassdoor, Indeed, and Payscale. Examine the prerequisites and the required credentials. You'll note that a degree is an option rather than a necessity for applying for a job. It is more vital that you have the necessary abilities and job experience. Unless you're just getting started and don't have any experience, focus your search on entry-level digital marketing positions. There are also several entry-level marketing positions available that do not require a marketing degree or prior work experience. Step 2. Participate in a course on digital marketing. Digital marketing is a field that focuses on online product promotion and marketing. It blends conventional marketing techniques with an understanding of current digital platforms and technology. This covers Facebook and Twitter social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and affiliate marketing and email marketing. If you don't have a university degree, taking a digital marketing course and being certified is the ideal method to improve your digital marketing abilities and add a recognized certification to your CV. The easiest approach to gain a strong grasp of what digital marketing is and how it works is to take an excellent digital marketing course. In the absence of a university degree or diploma, you may use your digital marketing certification to demonstrate to a potential employer that you understand the fundamentals and are eager to study and improve your abilities. Step 3. Look for the best paying jobs. It's also a good idea to check the pay when you're conducting your research. A digital marketing specialist's typical annual pay is about $30,000, and it rises as you gain experience, so searching for a high-demand job in digital marketing is another great way to become a digital marketer without a degree at all. However, not all digital marketing positions are created equal. A digital marketing professional wears several hats and possesses a diverse set of abilities, and it is not something that everyone desires or is capable of. There are many digital marketing high-demand jobs such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, content creation, web development, mobile app development, etc. Step 4. Start a blog for digital marketing. A blog may be a wonderful method to get your name out there if you're interested in digital marketing. It can also provide a chance for you to network with other people who are interested in the issue as well as prospective employers. It's also a great opportunity to brag about your favorite aspects of digital marketing. If there is a particular area of digital marketing that interests you, it may be beneficial to pitch your blog as one that concentrates solely on that topic. If you're interested in social media marketing, for example, you might create how-to blogs and share tales about how it may help businesses get more attention from customers. Digital marketing is a highly hands-on approach, and practicing is the only way to find out if you have the skills to work as a digital marketer, and starting a blog on digital marketing is one of the best ways to become a digital marketer without a degree. Anyone offering a product or service will almost certainly require advertising to get the word out about what they have to offer. You will only be able to grasp what you learned in a course and via study if you start blogging and get into the mindset of optimizing a website for search engines or conducting advertising campaigns. I would recommend creating a digital marketing blog rather than any other type of website since you want to get into digital marketing. You can visit our website, www.vcyber.com, for more blogs posts like this. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, kindly comment with your question and we will reply you as soon as possible.